KNC Taxidermy. As you can see, we have the frame here that our client has made for their black bear backpack mount, and I've already done our little blanket roll here. I just used a piece of foam and rolled up our fabric around it. That's just kind of our basic little roll that we do. You can use flannel, whatever fabric pattern, whatever you decide to use, or an old sleeping bag or whatever. But this is what we do. We kind of like the buffalo print. It's a nice contrast with the red. But I have my hide roll here ready to go, and I always place my hide roll on top of this, you know, the blanket roll or the backpack, the sleeping bag or whatever. So we're going to go ahead and start assembling that. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube page at KC Taxidermy and follow along on this process. I'm going to go ahead and start assembling this. It's really no different from the whitetail video that I did, but please follow along, and here we go with the black bear backpack mount. Now I've gone ahead and pre-placed my screws. Now these are about 4-inch screws that I've put in to just anchor and hold these paws in place right here. And I always anchor everything in place before, and then my rope is going to be just kind of an additional, you know, final hold. But I like to make sure everything's secured. And of course, with putting a single screw in there, you can turn them or anything. You can do adjustments or anything like that. And I like to put it together while my clay's still wet so that I can do any adjustments or anything like that that I need to do. And then, of course, the head that I mounted is going to set just like this. And I'm just going to use another single 4-inch screw on this top part and put it together just like this. These are the 4-inch screws that I'm using to attach my pieces to these frames. And like I say, you do you. It's what I always say, but this is what I do. And it works well for me. And like I said, because when clients come and pick this stuff up, I always take into consideration that they're transporting. So I want to make sure all my mounts get from point A to point B in one piece. Because once it leaves here, it's out of my control. So I always want to make sure, so that's how this, I always want to make sure that, you know, their mounts stay in one piece. So this is how, you know, a little rough assembly is going to look. And then I'll show you the rope that I have, you know, that you can order with. If you order your frame and your head forms, and with the black bear you can order. And I actually have, this is the Mackenzie, in their catalogs and stuff. They have all that information, and I like real well like the Mackinac print. I just love the red, how it pops with all the mounts. So when I saw that, I found at Walmart some, you know, like the buffalo print, the red and the black. I just love that, so that's what I went with. And you see their bear, it doesn't have the paws, but they do offer these paw forms that you can add in with it. So you can get the hide roll, the paw forms, the forearm forms, and the head form. And then you can, now this client made their own frame, but you can buy they have all different options of frames as well. So makes it super easy peasy. And this is how I assemble. And then once I get all this set and airbrushed and sculpted and airbrushed and finished, then I attach, you know, like the pack out. I do the pack out look and rope. So, and then we'll video that, the finishing up, later on. But this is how I assemble a backpack. And remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube page at KC Taxidermy, and we also have Facebook. Thank you. As you can see, there are big things going on here at KC Taxidermy, so make sure you subscribe so you can get notifications on everything that's going on here at KC Taxidermy. We'll see you then.